In this video, let me show you how to enable the auxiliary input in the Peugeot Expert. So at the very beginning, let's start, for example, by using the music button to open the radio or some other source of music. Then select here options from the bottom menu. And as you can see here, you can select the audio settings. So let me tap it. From the following menu, all you need to do is select here the sound. And here you've got access to auxiliary input. You can enable this by clicking, and it enables or disables, in this case enables the aux port, so usually the 3.5mm jack for plugging in external devices. So it could be really useful if you would like to plug some external devices to your audio. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.